One mic, all I really got is one mic. One life, all I really got is one life. They told me that I only got one life. Studying Buddhism, but I am not Buddhist. She told me that I'll be flyer than a kite. I told her that I am afraid of heights. Sipping Designy with Eck in the cup. My brain like a rover, programming and Tova. Healthy, no more soda. Healthy bitch ain't no more soda. We do not sip on that shit. Losing this weight just on accident. Chillin' with actors on activists. Memory lasting, they say everlasting. So just take the photo. I caught me a vet just to change up the game. Change that bitch up to a photo. Sipping this water, this shit be ferocious. Fucking that bitch with a Trojan. Even though my mama want her a grandson, I'm taking that pussy for ransom. Remember when I was young, I said I wanna die. Vision on 2020. So thankful for 2020. Show me that nigga just 50-50. Niggas ain't never been solid, they figure out a bezel, I just wanna rock it. Chillin' with bitches, we eatin' on burgers and fries, chillin' at Johnny Rocket. Chillin' at church, I be feelin' a rush, shaking these beats with maracas. Smoking on medical, it be prescribed by the doctor. Got me a call from the doc, now I'm leaving Walgreens, take a sip of the walk. Moving in motion, I'm slow off the potion, I hit a brick cause she got wop. And normally I'm taking Normandy, cause every time I hit her scene on the block, it's a cop. Eating that Sunday on Monday, but I never forget the cherry on top. Connection spiritually, no they ain't hearing me. Death was a burden, but no it ain't fearing me. White boy be fat and he looking like Carl. Purple like Lakers, but his name is Jeremy. Chillin' with Spring in the spring. Told me the spring and now she callin' Jerry. The 3 dimension getting scary, leaving everyone around me behind me. One mic, all I really got is one mic. One life, all I really got is one life. They told me that I only got one life. Studying Buddhism, but I am not Buddhist. Reincarnation is one of a kind. Every time I rap on beats, I just feel like I gotta express every time. Shit on my mind, I don't talk about it even though it's bugging me. And life is too serious, people delirious, trashing their life, they ain't loving it. Monkey see monkey do, all of these bitches, they copy the trend cause it's relevant. I got me a MacBook, told it away just to check on my status. Check from the government, no I don't want it, I need it, remember I ain't have it. And remember they told me I couldn't make it cause them niggas told me I ain't have it. And the biggest haters never wanna show action. She never wanna show action, she lazy as hell every time we in bed. I just got one mic, I don't want no bitches, I just wanna fuck with her for the head. In middle school playing with lead pencils, every time I feel like get a little. Every time I get a little, every time I get some money, these bitches like queen bees, they just want the honey. But got a cup, I leave him in the dust. Big trust, cuffin' a gut, but I don't wanna cuff. Big trust, one mic.